What's cool about Edible Landscaping, it is a nursery in Virginia, but it's a property where you can walk through and see their mature fruit trees and get an idea of what mature fruit tastes like and what the mature tree looks like. And I was absolutely blown away. It is one of the reasons I started HEPPY and made it more than just my personal garden, but this exhibition food forest idea. Don't let the length of the video undervalue the importance of a place like Edible Landscaping for having developed unusual fruiting plants and have this space where you can see what a mature bush cherry, hardy kiwi, shade tree, pawpaw, jujube, and pears, and all sorts of fruiting plants. And I was just like, wow, this is really cool. We're gonna take it up a notch. Be a slightly different wall. I'm curious to know if I'm gonna get right down here. You can see that ladybug larvae. Bam, pull the thing down like a monkey. I want to give props, I want to give respect to Edible Landscaping for their influence, share that with you. Very short video, I just filmed a few things that I was eating out there. It just doesn't do justice to the scope and scale of their property. I hope you enjoy the video. Take care. Now this is a tea tree at Edible Landscape. And so I'm here having tea tree envy. The fruit is just absolutely superb. Man, if you can get tea tree fruit from a tea tree, you are in for an absolute delight. That's a tea tree fruit. Sweet. Has a very interesting texture to it. 20% battery. Great. It's just so sweet. Oh my God, it's just so good. Tea tree at Edible Landscape. Fantastic. This is pomegranate. See, pomegranate kind of stays like a bush. Look at that. This girl is loaded. Beautiful. Give you a little scale right there. See, that could be, you know, 5 to 10 years old easy, but they just grow as a bush. Have I told you they grow as a bush? So I'm in heaven here. Oh, look at these pomegranates. This is why you want to grow pomegranate. Look at this girl. Look at this pomegranate. Nice thing about Edible Landscape is you can come through and see what mature trees look like. There's a 2 pawpaws. That's 2 pawpaws next to each other. And you just get a fantastic idea of what a mature tree looks like, or a mature vine. Some hardy kiwi. Of course, hardy kiwi, oh, that's fuzzy. Their fuzzies are bigger than our fuzzies, but she's a very mature vine. Grape. There's grape over there. These trees are probably at the end of life a little bit. No, maybe apple. Jujube. It's a nice jujube right here. Honey jar. And of course, persimmon everywhere. It's the very end of September right now. And so the persimmon are coming online. The GR fruiting She's going to mature just a hair before the persimmon. Let's go pick out some girls. So anyways, beautiful thing. This is what we want to do at HEPPY too, is have like exhibition garden. And this exemplifies the mature version of it, where you just get large plants. You get a fantastic idea of what they look like, you know, 10 years, 20 years on, if you plant them today. So the key is to plant them today, find something that fits your locale. This is a mature jujube. Jujube fruit is a superfruit. So I'm yet to do our web page dedicated to the jujube, but I know it's just like absolutely loaded with nutrients. The fruit is shaped like a date and has a texture of an apple. Let's see what this one feels. So this one's a little funky on top, and let's go. So, a texture just like apple, shaped like a fig, with a full-blown apple flavor and texture, more carefree than an apple. Apples, I think, are prone to fungus, and jujube is prone to like absolutely nothing. It's like a zero-care plant. It's another plant, along with being a superfruit. It's a plant that needs no water once established. That's what's cool about the jujube. I think they have to be of some color before they're ripe. It doesn't look like it's really a loaded tree, but maybe I'm a little late. This one has a little brown to it. I'm gonna give it a try. Looks like it ripens unevenly, with a little darkening or more ripe there where my index finger is. That's where you pick it off the tree, and less ripe at the bottom. So that's kind of weird. Sweet, just like a very sweet apple. Exact same texture as an apple. I think this plant is from the Middle East originally, and then I think the Chinese kind of took it to another level. Jujube is another one of those plants. It's like a zero maintenance, no water, once established sort of plant. Jujube, get into them. The other cool thing about jujube is that they store in a fridge for like ever. I don't know what ever means, but they store in a fridge for a long, long time. Oh, there we go. Well, I'm gonna have some jujube. Oh, this one's been hammered by some birds. This is a really good one. I don't know what variety this one is, but if the birds like it, you know, wow, it's all been munched on. All the fruit been munched on a little bit. And the lower stuff has been picked. This one's a little wrinkled, but they all have like a bite taken out of them. So somebody really knows. Oh, this is really round. Some jujubes are very round. Let's go pick some. I'm gonna finish them up, look for some plants, and we're gonna go from there. All right. Ironically, or by dumb luck, queued was to show this video of edible landscaping. I had it queued for the next video, and it really fell into the 100th video. Edible landscaping has this like a late October, I think it's a persimmon festival, but they may call it different things. It's basically late in the year. So it's a space that we can all enjoy. You can go there, taste the fruit, check out the mature trees, get yourself some edible plants, and get some wonderful feedback from a really smart crew of people that work at Edible Landscaping. My first walkthrough at Edible Landscaping, I think, was 2017. I bought this Matsumoto persimmon tree, and I bought just a handful of plants, not sure what I was going to do with everything. So fast forward to 2023, and in this row alone, I got turmeric underneath me. I got this beautiful Crest Haven peach tree over there. I got some native plants right there. I got the Tillamook gumi. I got the chase tree that's producing purple flowers right now and end of September. And of course, this che tree. Behind that, medlar. Then the sweet scarlet gumi, and I just planted a white beautyberry. So I just like went off on having a similar space to Edible Landscaping. That's how much of an influence it was to me, and sort of this vibe of being able to walk through a space. All this is sort of a personal thing, so thank you for listening. This is what my 100th video, and Edible Landscaping had a lot to do with that.